How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best camera settings for your Sony FX3. Of course, there's different settings or best settings for your camera depending on your day-to-day use, but generally I want or I love to play with this setting. The first thing that I want to talk about is the log mode. You want to use Cine AI with S-Log3 and the S-Gamma 3 Cine for maximum flexibility in your color grading. For the base ISO, the FX3 has a double base ISO, so you want to stick with the ISO 800 for normal lighting and ISO 12800 for ultra low light to maintain the cleanest signal with minimal noise. Now, for file format, you want to use the XAVC S1 4K for the best quality. Basically, it uses all intra compression, which is less compressed and easier for computers to edit. And then you want to use the XAVC HS 4K if you need to save space while maintaining the 10-bit quality. Now, for the recording setting, you always want to aim for 10-bit 4x2x2x2. Color spamming, sampling at 100M or higher to capture those rich color details. Now for the frame rate and shutter, you want to use the 24p. It is a standard for a cinematic look. And for the shutter speed, you could just follow the 180 rule. You want to set your shutter to 1/48 or 1/50 for 24 to get the natural motion blur. So just go ahead and double your base frame rate right here. For the white balance, you want to avoid auto white balance, which is the AWB. You want to set a manual Kelvin value, for example, 5600K for daylight to ensure that the colors doesn't shift during a shot. So that's the best overall camera setting, but once again, you can tweak some depending on your day-to-day use. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.